Okay, welcome to all of you. In the last period, we are discussing about the transportation and transpiration in detail. In this chapter, we are discussing the more important and regarding informative for you because of this is related with the human being. Okay, first of all, subscribe our channel, send to your friend, and like, share, and comment. Okay, now this is the excretory system. First of all, tell me why there is the importance of a excretory systems. Why it is a necessary to our body. Okay, in order to cell to stay alive, they must continuously intake water and other molecules. Okay, means the system also continuously intaking the water molecules and other materials. Okay, intake by the systems. Okay, the cell allow a continuous to get a bigger and a bigger. If they only took in a molecule, they must also export a molecule. Okay, means those molecule that was intake, that bigger molecule must want to transport or export. Okay, this molecule may be import. Okay, a single line molecule such as a hormone, or they may be a molecule of a glucose. Okay, on their way to other cells, or they may be a waste product of a cellular metabolism that cell needed to dispose that things. Okay, that's why it is needed here. Which are the waste product? Okay, which are the waste product? First, the carbon dioxide, a waste product of a cellular respiration. First of all, carbon dioxide is the waste product of cellular respiration, is dumped into a bloodstream and evenly removed by the lungs. Firstly, carbon dioxide is the waste product, okay, from the cellular respiration, and it was removed by the lungs. Means question asked for you, which is the waste product that was removed in a cellular respiration? Your answer is CO2. Next question is that, okay, the dump a waste product of dash 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 is dumped into the bloodstream and evenly removed by the lungs. Okay, cellular respiration. And lastly, the bloodstream and evenly the carbon dioxide is removed by the answer is lungs. Okay, that is the most important. Ammonia, NH3, is removed through water. Okay, this waste come from the cell broke down of old protein. Okay, means ammonia is a come from broke down the proteins. You mustly know. Okay, it is come from the protein. It is also what make a bleach smell. So in high concentration, it is a poisonous to the cell and must be removed. Why? It is the poisonous. That's why it was removed. Okay. Removal of ammonia. What is that? Removal of ammonia. Here, once excreted into the blood stream by the cell, it is carried to the liver. Here, it is converted from ammonia into urea, which is much less toxic. Okay, here the ammonia is converted into a urea. That question is asked to you. Here the ammonia is converted into urea in the livers. Next, in the liver, which things are converted? in that ammonia is converted into urea. Okay, liver is a help to dash dash to become a less toxic. Liver help to ammonia to convert a less toxic into urea. That question also asked to you in examination. Okay, that are MCQ type of questions. Maximum ask on that topics. Okay, here it is then carried from the liver to the kidney. Liver to the kidney. Okay, here. The job of the kidney. Okay, when the material also come toward the kidney, what is the job of kidney? They are responsible for cleaning the blood. First job. By removing the metabolic waste. Second job, removing the metabolic waste. Excess solutes, excess water, and excreting the urea. Means here the most important job is that done by the kidney, clearing the blood. Firstly, cleaning the blood, cleaning the blood. Next, removing the metabolic activity, waste, removing the excess solutes, removing the excess water and excreting the urea. Okay, that was the important job. Besides removing urea, it also remove excess salt or glucose. It also remove excess salt or glucose to the remaining of the drugs. Okay, a reason for urine test and excess water. Okay, here the regulation of water level. Okay, if the blood become to dilute, okay, or to concentrated, what solute, then it can be interfere with normal cellular activity. Recall hypertonic, hypotonic and isotonic solution. Okay, means if the blood become to dilute or the concentrated with the solute, there is the types of a solution. Hypertonic solution, there is the increasing the solute in the solvent. Okay, that is the hypo, there is the increasing the, means the less percentage of the solute and the higher percentage of the solvent. And isotonic means the same percentage of solute and solvent, that is the solution. Okay, here the kidney are able to regulate water concentration in the blood by removing excess water if the blood is too dilute, or the conserving water in the blood if it is not dilute enough. Okay, that was done by the kidney, the hard work kidneys. The two kidneys in the blood receives between 1,100 or 2,000 liter. Okay, it was converted into quart or gallons. Okay, blood per day about the volume of a car. Okay, means near about the car volume. It was a 2,000 liter blood was received by the kidney, filtrated. Because the blood, the body has only, body receive between a liter what. Okay, here the body has only about 5.6 liter of blood. Your blood run through the kidney to clean it about over every 4 minutes. Okay, means every 4 minutes, that was 5.6 liter blood was cleaned by the kidney. Okay, this is the structure of a kidney. Veins, that is blue in colors, red in color, that is the artery. Okay, that was come from the your heart. Okay, entered in the kidney. From the kidney, that is the yellow line was drawn toward the urinary bladder, that the yellow line is called ureters. Okay, yeah, that is the lower part, that is the urinary bladder, and that is the urethra. Okay, the kidney. Okay, we have seen the clean blood comes from the artery. Okay, and the waste blood comes from the heart, and clean blood go through the artery. Sorry. Okay, the waste material go through toward the urinary bladder, through the urethra. Okay, this is the glomerule. This is the glomerules. It is the importance for the cup like structure. Okay, there is the Bowman capsule is there. Okay, that help to collect the and filter the blood. Okay, that is tubes and nephrons also help from formation of a urine, how it was formed. Okay, here is the, I think there is the, yeah, there is no working of what is the work. We have seen the firstly filtration or a working of the nephrons. Okay, what are the working of a nephrons? Sorry, the clustered very thin wall blood capillaries are in the lungs, like, okay, each capillary cluster in the kidney is associated with the cup shaped end of the coils tubes that are called the Bowman capsule. Okay, this is the Bowman capsule. This is the cap like structure. Okay, that coiling Bowman capsule help to the collect and filtrate. Okay, the large number of the filtration unit are present there, and that large number of filtration unit, that is called nephrons. Okay, there is the nephron network is there for the filtration purpose, and in that there is the selectively permeable membranes are there, and that selectively permeable membranes also help to transport or absorb or reabsorb the material. Okay, the next point is the formation of urine. If there is a no too much water in the blood, then it is removed and put in urine. Okay, if there is a no enough water in the blood, the kidney will not remove it. Okay, if there is too much urea or other solute in the blood, the kidney will remove this excess solute. Okay, and by regulating solute number and water volume, the kidney normally maintain the homeostasis in blood solute concentration. Okay, it was maintained by the kidney. What happened when there is the much water? Okay, it was removed. When there is the enough water, there is no enough, it was not removed. Okay, when there is the other materials or solute, more solute is present, it was again removed. Okay, that was maintained by the kidney. Okay, the factor that affected kidney functions, which are the factors that were affecting on the kidney? Okay, the anti-drugist hormones, ADH, that factors also affecting on kidney. The prevent excess water loss for kidney. Next, alcohol, okay, inhibit secretion of ADH, more urine volumes, okay. Next is aldosterone, prevent excess loss of sodium and water from kidney. Caffeine, increasing the rate of salt and water losses from the kidney. Caffeine we are get from the tea and coffee. Increase the blood pressure, increasing rate of water of loss of from the kidney. Okay, the summary: a structure, two kidneys, two uterus, one bladder, one urethra. Function to remove solid and liquid waste from the blood. Next is reaches isotonic equilibrium in the blood. Okay, when good organ go bad. We have seen this is a cross section of normal kidney. This is the outside of the kidney that has lost blood, okay, flow to the tanuria and other cells have died. Okay, when good kidney or bad kidney stones. Okay, kidney stones video you can see, we know that is the uh, connections, and here are the uh, career opportunity to you, okay, related with the kidney. You can read it. And now the system, okay, of our screen, okay, here we can stop here. Share and like and same to your friend.